Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to create videos in minutes using AI with Pictory Script to video. Let's get started. To initiate the captivating journey of turning your script into a dynamic video, start by accessing the dashboard. Once there, find the script to video section and simply tap on the proceed button. Simply input your text, either through copy and paste or direct typing, and let Pictory work its magic. With scene settings at your fingertips, you have the power to enable auto-highlighting keywords, automatic visual selection, and scene creation preferences, whether triggered by sentence breaks, line breaks, or both. Once your text and scene settings are in place, a quick tap on Proceed sets the wheels in motion. Now comes the fun part: style selection. Pictory boasts an array of templates to suit your creative vision, and customization is at its finest. Opt for an aspect ratio that resonates 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1, and witness Pictory weaving your text into a dynamic video storyboard. While Pictory's automatic styling is impressive, don't forget, you are in the driver's seat. Fine-tune your creation scene by scene for that personal touch. In just minutes, you will unveil a video masterpiece that effortlessly blends technology and creativity. That's it. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.